In this video I'm going to show you how to convert iPhone video to slow motion. So simply you just select any video, press on, but not showing it to exactly slow motion option because iPhone does not provide to slow motion option, so you need to just use third-party apps. Simply you just open iMovie. You can get these apps from your app store. Just open your app store, go to search option, search set to iMovie. You can easily install these apps. Press on to open, to continue. Press on to movie and select any video to create movie. Select and showing it to speed option. You can easily increase or decrease speed. And just make it to slow motion, decrease speed, and now play this. Now make it this video slow motion. Okay, press on done and share to save to share video or export project. That's it.